Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Bridge. We are in process of learning HTML tags as part of web development. Let's get into today's session. We are very happy and most exciting to inform you all my happy learners and first time visitors. Our Maths Bridge knowledge corpus is get growing day by day. Please do visit us our YouTube channel Mathspace www.youtube.com/Mathspace. Sure thing is some takeaway as far as knowledge concerned. Okay, please do subscribe the channel and support us. Please drop a message, we'll get back. Here is our today's learning agenda. In this session, we're gonna look at media tags which we use in HTML web development. Media tags means like multimedia files. We know that media files have a different formats and then having a different extension. If you look at the file name, you could see like a .wav, .mp3, .mp4, .mpg, .mwv, .ava. Likewise you can see in files. But now the question is, we have also various web browsers. So which browser has what type of media tag support that we have, that we should be knowing. And also how much what are the other properties probably we have to look at, even for those media formats should be known. Let's say for instance, these are the typical formats that you end up seeing them: mp3, webm, ava, mov, movie, mkv, flv, wmv and ogg. Okay, some are universal for any browser, some are there is a limitation. For example, see, mov is like an Apple device, mkv is like a vlc and special players only can play, flv is like a flash based the players, wme is like a Windows platform compatible videos, ogg is like open source environment, things like that we have. If you look at file sizes and qualities based out of the format that you have chosen, you could think what could be your file size and then what kind of a quality that we are going to get produced by those media players. Okay, you can also see like an applications of each format. mp3 is probably for streaming, storing, sharing, and webm is basically web based video playback. So mostly these days I think we will be using this one. And then for video editing, avi, mov is like professional video editing, mkv is like hd movie and multiple trackers, like that. So here is the thing, actually now we know that these are the media tags, media types, which we are going to leverage for actually things to display on web page. So that's why it's are essential to understand what are the media tags that are available. Here are the media tags: image, audio, video, source, track, picture, map. I think the name implied meaning, image means embeds the image, video means embeds audio content, video means embeds the video content, tag source means specifies the multiple media sources, track means adds the subtitles, caption for the videos, picture defines responsive images, map or area tag is basically creating a image maps. Okay, so these are the tags that we use for actually embedding media files on a web page. Here is the audio tag. This is how we display on the web console. Audio tag is used to embed the audio files on the web page. Here is the syntax: audio controls the starting of the tag, this is the ending of the tag. So between you have to mention source, your source file name, and then type is like audio mpg file. Okay, here are the attributes. So audio, right? So either you can do like, load it and then play, or you can do like an autoplay. As soon as it get loaded, it will started playing. Or the loop means like continuously it repeats the song, or you can mute it, start the audio in the mute state. Preload determines how the audio is loaded. Auto, metadata, none, things like that. So these are how audio tags can be implemented. Similarly, we can see that video tags. Video tag is used to embed the video files on the web page, and here are the various formats that we have seen. This is the syntax for the video tag. Video controls, width, height you can mention. You can post the page like starting of the page, how the screen look like for this video, and then provide a link to it, and then this is the ending of the tag. So when you launch it, I think you see that like this image, and then the video controls appears on the web page. So typically these are the attributes: control, autoplay, loop, muted, poster, specific an image to display while the video is loading, and then before playing starts. That's why like poster is what you are. So I am also using an example as a poster. I will show you in the demo. Image tag. Image tag is used to display the images on web page. Here is the syntax. Image is the starting of the tag, right? Make a note, actually for image tag we don't have an ending of the tag, only starting of the tag, and then attributes. You are mentioning src and then title and the width and height of the image which you would like to have it on the web page. Okay, this is basically alt, means like an alternative text is what it displays. Suppose if you couldn't find it in server, then it displays nothing. That time, like how would actually user knows like what's wrong, right? So you have to make sure you have to put some kind of a text, image not found in server startup. Then I would be knowing, oh okay, looks like something wrong, let me fix it. That's what. Whenever you actually you do this from the web browser actually make a request to the web server and then fetch the information. So image has to be there in the server in order you to see on the web page. That sort of understanding. Here it is. Here are the typical attributes. src specifies the path of the image file. Alternative text display to use alt. Width and height set the image dimensions on the web page. Loading determines whether the image should be load lazily or eagerly. Picture image. Picture tag is used to provide different versions of an image for various devices or screen resolutions. Okay, picture tag is used to provide different versions of image for various devices and screen pictures. This is a very good one. Okay, here is a syntax: picture, source, and then image. Okay, source set. Source element specify the image and conditions under which they should be displayed. So you see this one. src set is the image path, and media is given like min width is this much. src set of image, some image, I am repeating the same image, but you can use a different image, but this is the width, right? So you have the two different widths that you are using, and then these are the association with the image. Actual image is what it is. So by default this was, but these are the properties based on the device it will set. This is one of the feature. When you use it in a in your implementation, you will be knowing more about like now when to use like a picture tag. We have one more tag called a track tag. Track tag is used within video or audio elements to specify text tracks like subtitles, captions, descriptions. This is good one, right? You might have seen when you are actually playing a video, there is a subtitles appears on the screen, right? So this is what you're going to use, track tag. So these are the src, kind, subtitle, caption, description, chapter, src language, label. So we have to use these things in order you to actually put them on video as a subtitles or captions or descriptions. This is another good the tag which we use, right? You frequently see in other videos too, isn't it, right? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, click on bell icon and leave the comments. Happy learning. Thank you. Stay tuned to upcoming sessions.